This is a 2013 Dodge Challenger. This coupe has an automatic transmission and a 6.4-liter V8. Its top features include a navigation system, a heated steering wheel, the Uconnect infotainment system, commercial-free satellite radio, alloy wheels, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a driver's side impact airbag, a HomeLink feature, a rear window defroster, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
DeLuca Toyota is located at 1719 Southwest College Road in Ocala. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.